Welcome to the channel. My name is Shah, father of twin boys, and today we're going to be talking about this market crash. Will we be going lower, or will we be going absolutely parabolic? And for this, we need to dive into the history of the markets, and we can see that as far back as we can go, there has always been dips. What can we relate to this current economic status and fear index? If we're looking at crypto, it's down from all-time highs. If we're looking at something like Ethereum, it's below $2,000 right now. I personally do not believe we are in a critical state as we were when FTX and Luna absolutely wrecked the crypto markets. Stocks are down significantly. Elon Musk losing billions and billions of dollars this last month. But I want you guys to think back very carefully to 2020. It was between February and March where we had a huge retrace. That was a la COVID-19. We saw homes that were $3 million become $1 million for an instance. We saw interest rates we've never seen before, sub 3% interest rates. And a lot of people are saying that Trump is purposefully bringing down the market. With the conversations and the fear of tariffs and AI, I feel like we're seeing huge stupidity in the markets, or either people like Warren Buffett who've been sitting on cash, they're geniuses. But for the people that are selling on the Pico bottom, I feel bad for you because you got shaken out. You're the person who recently bought with high hopes. You're the person that bought at 100K, scared that it was going to 150, and now that Bitcoin is at 80,000, you don't have the confidence to purchase because you can't afford to lose that money. If you could afford to lose it, you would have invested it looking for the parabolic gains. But the thing is, people like to chase green candles, but the most profitable people are not the ones that are chasing green candles. They're the ones buying at the low. When it hurts to buy, when it's not fun to buy, that's when you must buy. Okay? If you've been on this channel, we've talked about stocks, we talk about crypto, and if you want the latest up-to-date signals, crypto and stock investments, feel free to join my alpha group below. We have a Discord community as well as a school community, and we help each other be better. We keep each other accountable. And that's why I'm making this video, because not a lot of people will make a video right now. We're in a lot of fear. A lot of people are looking for answers. A lot of people are saying Trump ruined the market. I don't think that Donald Trump will allow for these markets to be this low for this long. If anything, this is an opportunity for America to refinance like they did for that shorter period of time between February and March. This is the opportunity to buy a home while people are in fear. This is the opportunity to get into the stock market, especially if you've been sidelined up to this point. It is your opportunity to get involved. I'm not the only one who thinks this, you know? I mean, a good person to follow would be Warren Buffett. If you're following people in the crypto space like Alex Becker, he thinks the same, you know? And if you look at the chart right now, the chart looks like this, went straight up and then went straight down. And that's the nature of stocks, you know? If you've been in the game long enough, you understand that this is normal, and that the weak hands is where money gets transferred to the rich, and the rich continue to keep getting rich as you continue to live in poverty. Yes, you are living paycheck to paycheck. You live in poverty, break it or not, believe it or not, like it, don't like it, that's the truth. You don't have 6 months in advance, and you don't have money liquid to do whatever you want, whenever you want. And that's why we're here on this channel, to be financially free, to have time, location, money freedom. If you don't have to go somewhere for work, if you can make money from your home and you can do it remotely, that's the best way to be. We've talked about it on this channel several times. So if that's not your setup right now, try to, because that's where the world is going. And if you haven't noticed, people are losing jobs, the market is going down, and AI is taking over. And just the fear of AI has brought the markets down. Just the fear of tariffs has brought the price of eggs up, and the stock market has crashed. But what goes down in the stock market inevitably will go up. This is where institutions get the best prices. You know, if you're scared, just do as Warren Buffett does. That's the most risk-averse stock market strategy you can follow. If you have a higher risk tolerance, maybe you're in the crypto markets, and this is the time to buy the low. Last time Ethereum was at 1900 was 2020. 2020. So I think it's a 4 or 5x from here for Solana. I think it's at least a 3x from here for Ethereum. Ethereum hasn't even seen all-time highs. I would be shocked if we didn't see a 5,000 plus Ethereum in this bull run. Well, technically, we're either in a bear trap or we're going into the Great Depression, another Great Depression outside of the one that we know of, right? So this happens, and specifically happens always after an election year. We go straight up, then we have a huge dump, and then we go straight up. If you look at 2017, which is an odd year, 2017, we had our biggest gains after this moment. I believe we're about to do the same thing. So either I'm completely wrong, which I can be. Don't invest anything you can't afford to lose, and do your own research. I'm just a 30-year-old father of 2 twin boys trying to create generational wealth, and I hope you can join me on my journey. If you watched my video the other month, you would see that I turned 100 grand into 300 grand. And that 300 grand has fallen to 150 just during this month. So does that make me a bad trader, a good trader? Well, it depends. If I sell out of fear or necessity because I couldn't afford to lose it, then yeah, I'm transferring my wealth to the rich people, to the wealthy people, to the people that have been preparing for this moment as they prepare every cycle, every 4 years, every new election. Because with uncertainty comes doubt and fear. And with fear, you'll see markets crash like this. So yes, if the fear increases, the markets will do exactly that. The markets do what people truly feel. However, once it feels like there's too much fear, that's when it's time to buy. Just like when it feels like there's too much euphoria, that's when you need to sell. But our human instincts are the opposite. We like to buy when it's high, and we like to sell when it's low, because the fear of going to zero for some reason is scarier to you than the fear of 10xing, 20xing, or potentially 100xing. But if you are on this channel, you know that, hey, we use the rule of 3. If something goes up 3x, take out 1/3 or at the minimum your initial. 300% gain is 300% more than the average gain when you take inflation into account. So don't be greedy. Be fearful when people are greedy, and greedy when people are fearful, and you will be successful. All right, guys, it wasn't easy to make this video. I could easily be wrong. Hey, a lot of people are saying we have 4 more years of Trump and we're screwed. But I just cannot in the short term believe that we're gonna go just straight down for the next 6 months. If we do, I hope you've all built your businesses and created cash flow businesses that are net profitable. If not, I hope you have that digital nomad lifestyle where you are at least working remote in today's day and age. But if you gained value today, smash that like button, subscribe for time-sensitive information, and make sure you click that bell so you don't miss the next video. Good luck.